friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a cute little area called Cannery Row in the city of Monterey, in Monterey County, very close to the Bay Area. This is a beautiful town which is very close to the Pacific coast, and you can see the sea from here. It's almost going to be sunset. I'll be taking a quick walking tour of this beautiful town and showing you some of the highlights of this place. I hope you enjoy this video. So Monterey is one of the most famous tourist attractions, very close to the Bay Area, with Silicon Valley, San Jose, California. So it's almost like 1 hour drive from San Jose, and this is where normally people come during the weekends to spend their time and do some dining, shopping, and have a good time. And so it's a cute little town. See, as you can see, I'm in the parking lot and the sun is almost going to set, so I'll try to capture some beautiful sceneries from this location. It's a new adventure, new city, and I'm happy that things are slowly opening up after the pandemic shut down most of these shops in this area. So let's see how it goes. So I hope you enjoy this video, so stay tuned and enjoy. Let's start the video.
From the parking lot, I started walking along the Cannery Row. The parking fee was a flat rate of $20 per day with in and out access. There are so many shops and restaurants lined along Cannery Row. Immediately one shop caught my attention, the famous Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. I went inside to try out their candy apples. The candy apples were really yummy. After finishing the candy apple, I decided that at first I will finish my walk along the entire Cannery Row. If I keep stopping at all these popular attractions, I will never complete my walk. Later on in this video, I'll be entering few other restaurants to try out their delicacies. So please keep watching. As I keep walking along the Cannery Row, let me give you a brief introduction of what is this place all about. Cannery Row is the waterfront street bordering the city of Pacific Grove, but officially in the new Monterey section of Monterey, California. It was the site of a number of now defunct sardine canning factories. The last cannery closed in 1973. The street name, formerly a nickname for Ocean View Avenue, became official in January 1958 to honor John Steinbeck and his well-known novel Cannery Row. In the novel's opening sentence, Steinbeck described the street as a poem, a stink, a grating noise, a quality of light, a tone, a habit, a nostalgia, a dream. The Cannery Row itself is now a tourist attraction with many restaurants and hotels, several of which are located in former cannery buildings, and a few historic attractions. Some privately owned fishing companies still exist on Cannery Row, housed on piers located a short distance from the historic district frequented by tourists. In recent years, Cannery Row has also become increasingly popular among sport fishermen due to extensive public fishing facilities. Maccabee Beach and San Carlos Beach, which bookend Cannery Row, are both popular spots for kayak launching. San Carlos Beach is one of Monterey Bay's most popular scuba diving spots. What you are seeing here is the Maccabee Beach, which is located in the heart of Cannery Row. At high tide, it's a small cove with smooth boulders and just enough sand to be called a beach. The Fish Hopper Seafood and Steaks restaurant you see on the left is a bustling eatery serving classic seafood staples in a dining room with beautiful sea views. Similarly, in this area, there are so many dining options to eat at the same time enjoy the beautiful views surrounding the Maccabee Beach. Built in 1918, the Monterey Canning Company has one of the two last crossovers, enclosed bridges that transported sardine cans from the cannery by the ocean side to warehouses on the other side of the street. Like I mentioned earlier, nowadays the Cannery Row's buildings are updated, shinier versions of turn-of-the-century canneries. They house an eclectic blend of specialty shops, local artists' galleries, and more than 25 restaurants and world-class attractions that make Cannery Row a top tourist destination. One such popular restaurant is the Bubba Gump Shrimp Company, which is a family-friendly chain for seafood and American fare served in a fishing boat-themed setting. Well, there is even a Harley Davidson store here for the motorcycle enthusiasts. Cannery Row's dining draws crowds with its complete spectrum of taste offerings. Enjoy area seafood favorites, legendary fine dining, and lively nightlife at Cannery Row restaurants. You can have a full Monterey County wine tasting tour in 3 blocks of Cannery Row at the tasting rooms for Pierce Ranch Vineyards and the Taste of Monterey, which serves a broad range of Monterey County wines along with a breathtaking view of Monterey Bay. The picturesque Hotel Intercontinental the Clement Monterey offers many guest rooms and suites with features such as fireplaces, balconies, ocean views, and all sparkle with stylish decor. From the Clement Monterey Hotel, it is a very short walk to the world-renowned Monterey Bay Aquarium in the heart of John Steinbeck's historic Cannery Row. Located at the ocean's edge, the Monterey Bay Aquarium is a window to marine life for dive masters and non-swimmers alike. It's home to sea otters, penguins, sharks, jellies, and thousands of other marine animals and plants. Its mission is to inspire conservation of the ocean. It is a non-profit public aquarium. It is known for its regional focus on the marine habitats of Monterey Bay, and it was the first to exhibit a living kelp forest when it opened in October 1984. Its biologists have pioneered the animal husbandry of jellyfish, and it was the first to successfully care for and display a great white shark. The organization's research and conservation efforts also focus on sea otters, various birds, and tunas. Seafood Watch, a sustainable seafood advisory list published by the aquarium beginning in 1999, has influenced the discussion surrounding sustainable seafood. I decided to visit the aquarium another time and continued my walk along Cannery Row. I walked past many interesting cafes and shops such as Ostino's Patisserie, Candy Row, Cannery Row Shell Company, Cristonio's, and the Grapes on the Row Cafe. Mackerel Jack's Trading Company is a good place to buy unique gifts and souvenirs that will honor your memories in the coming years. Cannery Pizza Company, Nestle Tool House, and Mirror Maze, located very close to the Clement Monterey Hotel, are some interesting places to try out. The Highway 1 Golf Games and Grub is a unique 9-hole indoor backlight mini golf course themed after a road trip down Highway 1 coastline. I was even surprised to see an Indian restaurant here. Ambrosia Indian Bistro on Cannery Row offers an open, airy and culturally decorated place to enjoy an Indian cuisine buffet. They also have a cozy dining area with a la carte options. There are so many dining and shopping options here that I can guarantee you will never go home empty-handed or empty stomach after your visit. I had these delicious Turkish delights or lokums and some baklavas from this Turkish sweet shop called Troya. I would definitely recommend this place to try at least once. But I have to warn you that they charge you based on weight in pounds and your total bill can add up really fast. So be careful of what and how much you order. After the quake is another touristy souvenir shop with a disaster zone theme. Okay, now I am almost back near the parking lot. That is when I realized that I have not covered some of the shops on the other side of the road. So I went back again to continue the tour. The Caramel Honey Company provides pure raw honey straight from the hive. They have some interesting honey based gifts. I have been hearing a lot about this place and was very excited to try some desserts at this famous Ghirardelli ice cream and chocolate shop. It is a really refreshing feeling to enjoy some cold dessert and coffee with this amazing view of the ocean in the background. It was time and money well spent. I really enjoyed my few minutes here. After amazing dessert, it was time to have really good dinner. I wanted to try out some local cuisine. After going through different options, I selected Lella Oceanside Grill for my dinner. This is a bright, contemporary new American bar and grill with water views, sidewalk seats and a basement bar. I had the popular crab sandwich from this place and washed it down with another cup of coffee. Cooper's Pub and Restaurant is also a busy, popular hangout with British-inspired eats and many local beers on tap, plus live music and a heated patio. The sun was going to set soon and I have to leave Cannery Row. So I decided to spend the last few minutes enjoying the beach and the sea under the shadows and the last few rays of light of the setting sun. Now it was time to head back to the parking lot.
So I'm ending the vlog right now. It's going to be sunset very soon. So that's it for the tour of Cannery Row. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Live to travel. The journey continues in a new city at a later time. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm back in the car and I'm going to start back my drive to San Jose. So sun is almost set and it's still beautiful outside, but you know, it's almost 1.5 to 2 hours drive, so I want to get a head start before it gets completely dark. So thanks for watching. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.